Helix.
Mark, why does web accessibility in higher ed matter more than we may think?
It seems that web accessibility is top of mind for everybody. And this is primarily due to the increase in litigation. So over the past 12 to 18 months, there's been a dramatic increase in the activity within the Office of Civil Rights as it relates to web accessibility. That being said, that's really not the only reason why to think about accessibility, especially for people in an enrollment role. One of the things that people fail to realize is that up to 20% of the visitors to your site may have an accessibility issue. You need to think about things such as deafness, motor impairments, their ability to use a mouse, and even things like cognitive impairments such as dyslexia. When you address accessibility issues, you are usually, if not always, improving the overall user experience for anyone visiting your website. One of the things I recommend is creating a comprehensive web accessibility program. A mistake a lot of campuses make is that they get an OCR complaint. There are some very specific steps and things that need to be done as part of that complaint. So they look at this as a project. Once they get the site up to snuff, they check the box that it's done and don't think about it anymore, when the reality is the site's always changing. So you need to come up with a comprehensive accessibility program that's addressing this going forward.